Knowing how to take a screenshot is an essential skill if you want to capture what's currently on your Mac. Whether it's tickets to an event, an email you've just received, or simply a snapshot of your desktop. If you own any kind of Mac, you have 3 ways to take a screenshot with keyboard shortcuts. Command-Shift-3. This keyboard shortcut captures a screenshot of your entire screen. Shift-Command-4. Use this keyboard combo to turn your cursor into a crosshair, which you can drag to select a portion of your screen to capture. Release the mouse button or trackpad to take the shot. You have some other options after hitting Shift-Command-4. Press and release the space bar. The crosshair turns into a little camera icon, which you can move over any open window. Click on your desired window to take a screenshot of it. A screenshot captured by this method features a white border around the window with a bit of a drop shadow. Shift-Command-5. A shortcut command introduced in macOS Mojave. This combination calls up a small panel at the bottom of your display with your screen capture options. 3 screenshot buttons let you capture the entire screen, a window, or a selection of your screen.